Are you having trouble force stopping Discord on your PC? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to force stop Discord on your computer with the new update. First, press the Ctrl plus Shift plus S key hotkeys to open the Task Manager. This will allow you to see all the running processes on your computer. Next, scroll through the list of services and find all the browser-related services that Discord is using. Once you've located them, click on each one to select them. Finally, at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window, click on the End Task button. This will force stop Discord and all its related processes, allowing you to restart the application fresh. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily force stop Discord on your PC and troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.